We're waiting on you.
Machi?
Yeah.
Okay, I need it stronger. This is my last morning with you all, alright?
Yeah.
Machi.
Yeah.
Okay, so on behalf of Natasha and myself, this is very, we want to say bittersweet. More bitter than sweet. But it will be sweeter once you leave. Because we're going to be in paradise for a little longer. You know, we're kind of showing off with that. But it was the best journey with Africa for the Africans that I've personally had. And this is my third. This is a really great group. The energy is off the hook. You should give yourselves a round of applause. Everyone is just so nice. And I'm glad I decided to come, you know, because I've been so busy. I kept saying, I'm not sure. But there's no time like the present. This is a special year for me, and this is a special trip. So I want to stay connected. I've asked our fearless leader to prepare a master list with everyone's name, emails, and telephone numbers, where we can feel free to reach out to each other and learn more about each other. I'll be loading all the videos to my Facebook page, also to my website, which is peppypromotions.com. If you didn't get my card, no worries, my information is in the book. You can feel free to call, text, tweet, whatever, because I'm on every social network. And I don't know, I'm gonna cry because this is just a really good group, and I hope everyone had a really enlightening trip, especially for the first timers. And I'm happy that I was a part of the team, which is Africa for the Africans. I'm here at your service. I'm gonna miss you dearly, and I say safe travels to your respective places when you're leaving Africa. Don't forget that the door of return is open for you, so you should really come back. All right?
Appreciate it. Yeah. Love you, Pam.
Stop.